Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, May the 29th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. Before I get into the video here, I just want to give you guys an update. We'll be hosting some classes on an education course come mid-June, so if that's something that you're interested in, you can send me an email at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com, and I can give you more details. Or you can go check out the website, wallstreettrading.com, and see some of the stuff we have there, and then go from there. All right, but in any case, let's go ahead and talk about this market today. The Dow Jones is currently down 140 points or so. The CompQ is down 26. The Russell 2000 is down 12. The S&P is down 14.5. If we take a look at some of the other things we have going on here today, the VIX is up 58 cents. It was up 95 cents, so it is off of the highs. Crude oil USO is down 54 cents. GLD is actually showing some nice strength today, up $1. GDX is up 60 cents. JJC copper down 22 cents. Silver showing some strength today as well, up a little bit, 14 cents. So far for the session, we've been selling off from the overnight session, and we're witnessing some more selling pressure this morning as well, with the bears taking control. Start off with a 30-minute chart. You can see we were in a downtrend from. Oh, 1 second. All right, you can see we were in a downtrend from this morning. We had this little bounce that we had right here around 7 o'clock this morning. They rallied us up, and then right on the open, they sold us down all the way to a low of 1638, which was a level that we gave out as S3. We gave this out on our Facebook page. Wall Street Trading is our Facebook page. You go check it out. S3 support was 1637.50, and we bounced right at 1638 and traded all the way back up to the 1646 area, which we have as S1, which of course now it's not S1 anymore. It is now resistance. If you take a look at the ES chart, ES chart we have here at down 12 points here on the ES at 1642. Sorry about that. Down 12 points here, 1642. Making a move back down towards the lows. Looks like that's where we want to go. And then the 5-minute chart, you can see here we're having trouble breaking past this little supply zone that comes from this little breakdown that we have right here. So if we go hold above 1646, we can maybe look for a move up. But if we continue to hold below 1646 and 1644, look for them to try to take this down back to the 1638 area. All right, I know some of you guys out there watch the SPY and the Q, so we'll take a look at that as well. Starting off with the SPY, you can see the SPY gap down. All right, had trouble breaking back over the open, and it's been trading below this declining 8 EMA here, so keep an eye on that moving average. And we currently have a couple of consecutive lower closes here, which you can see from the closing prices system right there. All right, that's how the SPYs are looking. Looks like they want to go down. Looks like the SPY wants to go back down towards 164.33, and then maybe check these lows down here, 164, if we were to get some nice selling pressure today. Again, we are holding below the opening price and below the previous day's lows with these declining moving averages. You take a look at the triple Q. Same thing, triple Q gap down. All right, was not able to break back above the previous day's close or the previous day's lows or the opening price. Looks like it wants to go back and check those lows down around 73. And if we break below 73, you want to watch this 72.95, 72.80 area. Again, this is if we're going to get some selling pressure here in the day. All right, we'll see. So far, we are making these lower pivots. All right, let's take a look at the IWM. IWM, same thing here, gap down, not able to break above the previous day's lows or the opening price, trailing below this nice moving average here, the 8, and it looks like it wants to go back and check these lows, 97.40, and then possibly some sell side action at 97 if we get some more selling pressure if we break those lows. So we'll see how it plays out. So far, the bears are in control today. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Had a couple of stock ideas that we talked about this morning. One of the ideas being CHK, which was strong right out the gate. We were tracking this one from yesterday as well. Strong stock from yesterday. It's been showing strength the past couple of days. This one, however, is not getting a bounce at all. Here you can take a look at the 15-minute chart. You can see it shot up out the gate. Has not been able to get a bounce. So we're going to keep on tracking this one. Another strong stock that you can take a look out there is GMCR. This one had some news out today, and they're trading to the top side. Gave you guys some nice entries down here. Again, just these are just a couple stocks that are moving, and then you have HPQ, which I've been tracking the whole morning here, which is just chopping up people around the 25. Not even really chopping up; it's actually just kind of trading this little range. Hasn't broke below 24.85. Has not been able to break past these 25.10, so it's just in the range here. On the hourly chart, you see a nice little flag. But aside from that, hope you guys are having a great day. Keep an eye on some of these stocks that we just mentioned, and that's about it, folks. Cheers.